Hello guys, for the purpose of this training I'm doing this video so that you guys will understand what we are trying to do. Just like I said earlier, you'll be needing Chrome browser and an active email address. Yes, the Gmail address that you use to register. So on your Chrome browser, go to the search area, type in Gemini VEO 3 and select the first option, just like you're seeing in the video. So for a new user, you are not going to get this interface. What you're going to see is try Gemini for free with an option, two options. First options for the package charges you 0 naira, while the second options charges you 28,500 naira. So for the purpose of creating your AI videos and using this package for free, you know it's a premium package, so for you to use it for free, you pick the second option. Yes, the pro, that is the pro option that says 28,500, but you're not going to pay a dime. That is the hack. Now you need a debit card that is active and also low on balance at the same time. That is a card that has not expired. Do you understand? Register with the card, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your subscription after 30 days. Do you understand the hack? Once you register with an active card, allow it to process, the system assumes that you have registered a card for payment, for future payment. Then within 30 days you must have generated your content as you like. Then you can cancel the pro subscription, and if you have a second Gmail, you can follow the same procedure over again. Register as a new user on the pro pack for another 30 days. Do you understand? After registration,